Hi, my name is Helen Edwards-Jackson. I am the broker in charge of UpSurge Realty, powered by Level Up Realty. We're here today to tell you a little bit about the home buying process as a new construction buyer. Now, granted, we are on a live site, so if you hear any nails, any hammering, or any mowing on the outside exterior of the home, just know we did not ask them to stop because there is a home that needs to be done for a ready family. So let's learn a little bit about the home buying process. As you know, here in our local market, new construction is on the rise. We are still having a shortage of inventory with all home sales, regardless if that is residential or new home construction. It's important that you know that as a buyer, you should be represented by a licensed real estate broker, such as myself, or any of our amazing 32 agents at UpSurge Realty. At UpSurge Realty, you can expect to have a level of service that will be defined by service and expertise. In your home buying process, as we discussed, with new home construction, the representative at the builder does not represent you. They represent the seller. Knowing that, you should always have a broker that is on your side to represent your best interests at all times. Hi, so we're out today again looking at new construction. Please know that you may hear several distractions in our background because we are on a live set. Here is what most brokers won't do, but at UpSurge Realty, you can expect a higher level of service defined by expertise. Our agents go out to the site to review your plan specifics. Every single 1 to 2 weeks, you can expect an update from our brokers on how your home is coming along the process. You can find out from your new construction representatives on what most agents provide during your real estate transaction. It is a fact that most agents, when they get you under contract at new construction, you see them at contract writing and you see them at closing the deal. You can expect a different level of services at UpSurge Realty. We would like to hone in on just why it is important for you to have a licensed real estate broker to represent you on any home transaction. The state of North and South Carolina advises all buyers to have a home inspection on the home to find any areas that you cannot see with the naked eye. Your licensed broker will provide you with referrals of professional service providers who can perform services that you may need with your home buying process, such as the home inspection. The home inspector felt that the door frames and windows in several areas of the home were not properly end nailed, that's END, nailed or toenailed. We would like to show you an example of the things that our home inspectors will find on your home before it is drywalled. Let's take a look. So, now that you see that, we also want to show you what it should look like if it was properly installed. And remember, these are things that a normal home buyer would not know, because all you know is that your beautiful home is being prepared and you're getting all of the things that you wanted in your home when you went to your design appointment. But what we don't think about is what is behind the walls. This is why we're here to help. Thanks for joining us at the pre-drywall inspection. We hope that you have learned a lot about the home buying experience with new home construction. Don't forget, we are your luxury real estate firm in the Carolinas. Allow us to upsurge your experience and define your experience by service and a higher level of expertise. As we discussed, we don't leave you at the table when you sign the contract. We will coordinate your transaction with a hands-on experience from start to finish. Ready to level up? UpSurge at www.leveluprealty.org. You can email us at info@leveluprealty.org. We'll see you there.